Welcome to CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Today, we'll be learning how to navigate CompanyIQ's Exhibits portal. First, click the Disclosure module. Fill your search criteria and click the Go button. When you are on the Disclosure Results screen, you'll see an Exhibit Portal button on the top right of the screen. By clicking this button, the exhibits for the currently viewing file will open in the Exhibits portal. To switch to another company, select the Company drop-down menu at the top of the page. If you wish to view a company's complete list of exhibits, click on the button next to Show All Exhibits on the top right of the screen. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a complete list of your results, with the number of documents on the top of the page. All columns can be sorted and searched. For example, if you like to look for a specific exhibit, type the exhibit name in the exhibit search box. Or if you'd like to sort by filing date, click on the filing date column header. Additionally, if you click on the interactive calendar icon, you can avoid typing the date by just selecting it. To compare two documents, click on the square icons beside the files and then select the Compare button. You'll be redirected to the Exhibit Compare window. You can scroll across both documents at the same time by using the scroll bar in the middle. To scroll documents individually, use the scroll bars on either side. The text in black is the same text. The blue text indicates added information, and the text crossed out in red identifies changes between the documents. To return to the Exhibit portal, select the corresponding window tab. On the top of the viewing window, you can click View at SEC to view the document in the SEC EDGAR database. And next to it, you can view the exhibit title, form type, and filing date. Thank you for watching another of MyLogic's tutorial. To view more, please select one of the following videos.